Well, something happened to the transport. Yeah, I'll tell you guys later. Now I'm going out for lunch and all my shirts are wet. And my pants. This is the color difference. Had to run through the rain. Yeah, no other way around it. But yeah, today the transport hiccup was interesting. It was my first time encountering it, so yeah, I'll just share it with you guys. Browsing. I just dry hopped this beer 3 days ago, and then what I'm basically doing is just pushing out CO2 so that it mixes it up with everything in the tank. So yeah, we'll do this once in the morning, once in the afternoon, and then one more time before I leave the brewery, so that everything gets mixed up and then all the flavor gets into the beer. Right. And it's so crazy. I'm just here at the brewery just to do one task. I shouldn't have came, but I decided to come, just want to make sure everything is okay and then do that one task. But yeah, with all that, with the rain, maybe I made the wrong decision. But anyway, lunchtime, let's go. The best part about rainy day is this coffee becomes 10 times better. Alright. Anyway, I was on my way to brewery this morning, and then yeah, halfway through the ride, it was at Queenstown. So I have to say I was pretty lucky that we got stopped earlier, because I think the amount of people waiting for the free bus that the SMRT intended was just crazy. So what happened was, I have no idea what happened actually, but at Queenstown the train stopped. Nothing wrong with the train, I think something wrong with the tracks, going towards Jurong East, Boon Lay, and Tuas area. Got stopped at Queenstown. I was sleeping, I didn't know what happened. Everyone was just shouting. I was like sleeping, and someone just like wake me up. Hey, you gotta get out of this train. And and then when I went down, I still have no clue what's going on. I just stood there sleepy for like 20 minutes, and then finally figure out the trains are not working. I mean, it doesn't go towards the area that I wanted to go. So they intended free buses to all the train station. So yeah, that's what happened. A lot of people got affected. a lot of angry people. Yeah, I just didn't film all that. I thought it would be, I feel like, it's not appropriate to just film people shouting, so didn't do that. But yeah, quite a morning. A lot of people are screaming, shouting, worrying that they'll be late for work. It's pretty crazy. They could just explain to their bosses what happened, right? There's nothing much they can do about it unless they grab. But that is that. And then after that, the whole morning it didn't rain, and then afternoon it just started pouring, and it stopped just now after my lunch. So it was crazy. I was drenched, I think. Yeah, it's pretty cold. That's just it. I wasn't really going to vlog today, but then yeah, since this happened, I thought I'll share with you guys. I'm pretty sure it will be on like some of the social media in Singapore. There's not much that we can talk about, so yeah, definitely gonna be on the news. So yeah. My third cup of the day. Feels like I'm addicted to coffee. Anyway, my job at the brewery is done already. It's just one simple task. I'm just waiting for the delivery truck to be here. We're gonna load up some beers and then get out of this brewery, get out of this area, and then go to town. And then I'll be going to Upper House to take some photos later tonight. And yeah, might have a chance to use a new gym today. So excited about that, because that new gym have a swimming pool. So I'm excited about the pool, excited about the gym, and excited about the photo taking as well. So yeah, I'll bring you guys along. On my way to the brewery on a Sunday, on my off day, and yeah.
Sales, let's go. Let's go.
So depending what train you like.
No signal.
Nutri Grade, 7% sugar.
Singapore.
Inflation, guys. This packet used to be full. Look at this.
Alright, dinner time. So no gym or a long distance run today, because I was caught up in the rain and I'm feeling a little off. My body's aching a little bit, so I just want to be cautious and just take this time to rest so that I can train more in the future. I mean, in the upcoming days. So yeah, I'm gonna take a break for today, and now going off for dinner. Yes, McDonald's. So this is one of the weaknesses that I have. I can run for the longest time. I can work out, spend time in the gym the longest time, but I can't go on a diet. And that is one of the problems, one of the disciplinary problem that I have. But I can't help it, man. I love food. McSpicy, classic.
Got some mango and some very sweet Thailand rambutan. Right. Surprisingly, this fruit store is like 24 hours. I wonder who buy, fruits in the middle of the night. But yeah, got some fruits and time to head home. Probably end the vlog here as well. I think I've not much thing to do at home. Rest up and get ready for tomorrow. And that's pretty much it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.